YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Soul Shooter, and I'm back, as you can see, with another video. It's a POV, but it's a little bit different this time. We have something in a box, and whenever I have something in a box that I'm putting on the channel, just know it's gonna be something special. What do we have here today? We have a new, you know what? I'm just gonna open the box. I'm not even gonna say it. I'm just gonna open the box so that you guys can see it. Some of y'all can maybe tell so far what it is. We have a new exhaust setup for the G82. It's gonna be crazy, man. We have the midsection right there. This is one of the pieces, as y'all can see. All right, you guys, it's been a couple days since that last clip, and as y'all can see, I'm here with the car still. The exhaust is not on as yet, but today's the day. As y'all can see, I do have the trunk open right here, and if you can see in the trunk, I do have the boxes in the trunk. These boxes is the exhaust. As y'all can see, you can go ahead and you can see right here, this is the mid pipe right here. And the mid pipes, I mean down pipes, one of the down pipes right here. This is the mid pipe. This car gonna go from the shitty, okay, let me not say that. We're gonna go from a not sounding good exhaust system to an exhaust system that sounds good. This is what I think sound the best. The down pipe and a catted mid pipe. I think that's give you the best sound from the S58 motor, because the catted mid pipe, it take away that raspy sound and take away that in-cab sound. That setup sounds the best. Now, some people's opinion might vary. Some people might like a full exhaust from all the way from down pipe all the way to the back. Some people even might like a straight pipe in these cars. I don't know why, but everybody, you know, got different preferences when it comes to exhaust system. My preference is a down pipe and a catted mid pipe with the stock muffler. Give you right amount of tone. Is going to be right where I want it to be. That raspy sound, you know, it's going to sound good. All right, we're on the road now. We are driving. I'm going to get this exhaust system installed. I'm not going to record the process, you know, because there's plenty of videos online showing you guys, you know, how to do this. And if you guys do got a down pipe and a mid pipe setup, I do recommend, you know, taking it to someone that got experience working on it, this exhaust system, and also taking it to someone that has a lift. That makes it a lot easier, because I could have done this myself, but you know, I'd rather somebody else do it, because it's a tight space. You got to fish there, and then there's two exhausts, two down pipes you got to take out, then you got the mid pipe, you got to cut it. You know, like, I could have done it myself, but it's just, I wouldn't say it's a lot of work. It's just more tedious without a lot of room. You know what I mean? So that's the reason why I'm taking it to someone that done a few of them before, you know, that can kind of like breeze through the process. Because if I do it, I'm going to be doing it and learning at the same time, versus someone that did it 1,000 times. You know, all they got to do just run through it at this point. Get you guys some sound clips, and we're gonna go from there. All right, you guys, the exhaust is now on. You guys gonna get this, hear what it sound like with this mid pipe. I'm telling you guys right now, it's crazy. I had it on for about a day now, and I've been enjoying the car, but it's gonna be a real cold start. I haven't started the car since yesterday, so let's go. Got my little brother in the car right now, yeah. He revving it up. Go ahead. not really raspy. It got a nice deep tone to it. That's what I like about the Caddy resonator. One more time. I got a lot more content coming soon with the car, so please like, comment, and subscribe. I know you guys hear that a lot while you're watching YouTube videos, but it truly helps. Share the video, like it, comment on it, interact with the video, you know. It keeps me motivated to bring you guys more content. And if you guys like watching these videos, you know, that's the way to show appreciation for the channel. So without further ado, man, I thank you guys for watching the video as always, and see you guys on the next one.